Good morning from Brisbane, Queensland, and welcome to Academic Assembly's product demonstration of the new Global Alumni Relations Course. I'm Gretchen Dobson, your host and creator of the new course. I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge our production partner, Brisbane-based Peer, and my colleagues at Academic Assembly for contributing to today's session. Academic Assembly is a global services company. We demonstrate our value with professional development tools and services designed to optimize performance and help institutions increase their effectiveness around the world. Here is a look at Academic Assembly's portfolio of services. It is a platform approach that provides a one-stop shop for clients and partners. Today I'd like to take you inside the course. I'm really excited about starting 2017 with this new resource that, in our opinion, provides immediate return on investment for our subscribers. And as we well know in education, having the right partners extends one's ability to be responsive to the needs of the market. Peer is International Education Services' digital brand. Peer develops technical solutions for the global international education market, as well as for local community groups. And that's me in the picture. I've been devoted to the concept of elevating one's international IQ for the past 15 years. Having worked on every continent except Antarctica and written 3 books, I wanted to develop a course that could be accessible to by any time, to any group at any time. The course is sequential, and I begin with reviewing the value propositions for investing in a global alumni relations program. And then we move on. You see the modules build upon each other, from staffing and budgeting, communication, to global volunteer management, and topics such as faculty development and government relations. The beauty of an online course is the ability to update and enhance the material. Subscribers to the Global Alumni Relations course become members of a community of practice led by the thought leaders, assisting me in the design and the facilitation of the course. Each module is created around a framework for learning, an introduction, my coaching session, where I often bring in voices from the field, an activity to share with staff, colleagues and alumni leaders, and a short concluding quiz. And finally, there are resources at each module. So let's go inside the course. We're going to start at the beginning, and we're going to go ahead. I'll minimize the screen and go into the beginning. Now, we click on the course in the shopping cart. You find this on aai.onlinetrainingproducts.now/products. There's the shopping cart. We've clicked on the course, we go to the cart, we proceed to checkout, we go ahead and enter a credit card number, and we will be able to begin. It's really that simple. And this is what the course looks like. Now we're here. Notice the left sidebar, your table of contents of sort. This course is designed as a cumulative learning experience. Subscribers move through each module sequentially from 1 to 12. Some modules will take 30 minutes and others close to an hour. I'm going to show you a sample coaching session from Module 2 called Database Reboot. And there's the coaching session. You can see the different topics that we'll be going through. Here we discuss the challenges with current database management practices and propose a new way of identifying which alumni are global, local, or both. The second part of the tutorial proposes ways to improve and or augment current alumni relations records. Now, there's different tips for collecting and updating the international alumni data. In this section, we go through 5 steps to international database management. Now, I believe we all learn differently by listening, doing, and by writing or designing, and more a hybrid approach. Each of the course modules includes an activity. The downloadable worksheet provides an exercise, a practical action step that participants can take into their next staff meeting. Let's look at the activity for Module 6 on volunteer management. The module's activity is designed to help institutions assess current-day practices for global volunteer management. Earlier in the module's coaching section, I discussed the framework of the 5 I's of volunteer management. The activity here provides a Likert scale to rate volunteer outreach and engagement efforts at each stage of the process, from identify to invest. Now, this downloadable activity sheet, you click on this link, and it'll take you to a document that you can print out and, again, save and share, so you can be able to take it into your staff meetings, volunteer meetings, and be able to share it with colleagues that are also taking the course. Each module ends with a quiz. Let's go back to the course, and we'll look at Module 8. This quiz is designed to assess one's grasp of the main points for each module. Now I'm going to go show you the quiz here in Module 8, and we can take the quiz together. So this is not really a pop quiz, but I certainly like the terminology. We want you to feel ready to move on to the next module. So in these quizzes, we always ask the question, do you feel like you've mastered this piece? So let's go ahead and go through the quiz. Institutions can begin to build alumni affinity as early as student application stage, first-year students, young alumni, all the above, or none of the above. We're going to click all the above. Study abroad programs and alumni relations can partner to identify local alumni, promote the regional alumni chapter or group, co-sponsor career-related events for students, all the above, or none of the above. Let's click on all the above. International students can help promote donor participation by telling their stories to potential donors through blogs, YouTube videos, in-person visits or campus talks, all the above or none of the above. I see a trend here. Informal ways of international alumni to serve as resources to new students and families include mentoring relationships, speaking at new student send-off events, delivering final acceptance decisions on behalf of the institution, all the above or none of the above. Now, informal ways. I can't say all of the above because delivering final acceptance decisions on behalf of the institution certainly is not the role of alumni. Speaking at new student events is actually somewhat of an informal way, but maybe not. Mentoring relationships, let's click on none of the above. Global Alumni Relations programs may engage students during the final year by assisting with transition, hosting focus groups, involving new graduates as founding members of regional alumni chapters. I think we hit on all the above. Now, let's submit. I got that wrong. Now, I did that specifically so you can see that you can go back and change your answer. And again, that's an informal way that international alumni can serve as resources. Let's submit now, and we've mastered our information, and we're able to go on to the next module. Let's go back to our slides and finish up. Now, the registration design of 2 seats per subscription in the Global Alumni Relations course is intentional. Global Alumni Relations is never just one alumni officer's responsibility. Rather, global outreach and engagement requires collaboration and communication. And here is the big differentiator. The material is ready-made for you to share with staff, colleagues, and volunteers. The licensed and online format allows subscribers to use a projector and present the topics to groups. Or you can have your own WebEx webinar and share your screen. So does this Global Alumni Relations course provide solutions to your training objectives? We certainly. First of all, here's how you register for the course. Here's the link to the shopping cart, and there's certainly our link to our website where you can also access the link to the shopping cart and learn more about the course. We'd like to let you know what has just launched. Academic Assembly, in partnership with PEER and Immigration Concepts, has released the Essential Series of Immigration Training. These are professional development courses that are intended to meet today's specific needs of international officers working with international students interested in American higher education. These important topics have been updated by Ron Cushing, an expert in the field. And coming soon, Ron will be leading an Immigration Concepts seminar in Cincinnati in April called the Fundamentals of Foreign Student Advising. And the Global Lab is creating new best practice. We're launching that this summer. Look for more information on our website, and we'll be sending information to you soon. Thank you very much for participating in our web demo today. We look forward to staying in touch, and when you think of global operations, think Academic Assembly. Thank you.